What's up, y'all, and welcome back to my channel. I know that it's been a long time. It's been a while. It's hard being consistent with YouTube. I'm not even gonna lie, especially when you don't make money from it yet, work and do other things. Like, it's hard, y'all, to stay consistent. Sometimes I just want to show y'all what I'm doing without talking. But I know y'all gonna want me to engage, so it's like, ugh. I moved, y'all. My lease was up, still in Midtown. I take y'all on a apartment tour of my new apartment. I unpacked everything, but I still have like totes and stuff. My TV is not hung up, but y'all gonna see all of that. So here we go. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe at the end of this video. So happy to be back. I don't know for how long, but I'm here now. So let's enjoy the moment. Okay, y'all, so I want to start with the kitchen first. This is my kitchen, same bar stools from my other place, and I did not change up my furniture or nothing, y'all, nothing, because I knew it would have blended in with everything. And as y'all can see, I still have like stuff I need to buy as storage. This is my cabinet. Refrigerator, and it's nothing really in it except for like condiments and stuff. This is my freezer. That's my air fryer. Again, I got that from Target. It was like $60, but I got it over a year ago when I moved into my other place. So this used to be on my coffee table, but I just wanted to put it on here. Microwave, stove. These are my plates, bowls. These are my seasonings in here. Pots and pan set. That was from Costco, my pots and stuff. So this is that cabinet. My silverware. And just for the oven. I think I had got this from At Home or Home Goods, one of them. My cleaning supplies are in here. Dishwasher. These are all my cooking utensils, my knives, paper towel, and these are my cups, and my glasses is in here, Tupperwares. I don't have anything in these cabinets. Just things that couldn't fit right here. So this is my living room. Same couch as the other place. I had to put my mirror out here because it couldn't fit in my room. I hope y'all ain't see that wedgie. Same coffee table. Here's my view. Same bed set as the other place. This is my clothing rack. I just hung up my purses and stuff. That's my robes. And this is my jewelry and my perfume. Alright, so this is the bathroom. The bathroom is a his and hers. And y'all, the lighting is just so perfect in here. I just put my hand soap, hand lotion and stuff on this little thing I got from Home Goods, I believe. So yes, this is the little towel holder. This is my shower. I didn't have a shower in the other one. I only had a tub, but yeah. This is the shower. I can also go in my room from here too, by the way. It's 2 doors. So, and look how tall these doors is, y'all. Here is the closet. And y'all, the only thing that I don't like about the closet is it don't have the shelves in it. The other one had the shelves in it, but so I hung up everything, but I still got my shoes in those totes because I don't want to put my shoes on a carpet. So I think I'm gonna build like the white shelf for my shoes, and I'm probably just gonna put it on this wall right here. And my washing machine and dryer is in my closet as well. And yeah, so this is the closet. But that is the end of the tour. I do feel like once God is ready and once God positioned me to where I can buy a house, then I'm gonna do that from here. But I still got a view. I'm still right here in Midtown, and I'm just so thankful and blessed that God just is positioning me where he wants me to be in my life. The old spot was really nice, but I feel like there were certain people who I'm like no longer associated with, relationships, friendships that I had that was in that old place. And I feel like sometimes when God is leveling you up and when God is moving you up to the next level in your life, like sometimes you gotta get rid of old things, and that might be places. So I hope y'all like it. I hope y'all like my new place, even though it's not all the way done yet. And just tell me what y'all think. Okay? Bye.